Hey everybody, Mike St. Amour here, also known as Precise26. Right now I'm looking at the gold chart and not much has changed since the last time I analyzed it. I'm just looking at the weekly chart and I'll just recap again. So we had our long-term resistance which broke. We have our last defender resistance here, and we have our key support area here and our final key support area down here. So looking at this, we can see coming down to the daily that we are right at that resistance area. So this is a key point. This is definitely a key point. I am looking at the MFI and the RSI, and I'm thinking we are going to break this resistance area. That's just a guess. Please keep that in mind. That doesn't mean go and buy right now, because this is just my crystal ball doing its thing. Everything depends on the breaks, so we definitely want to wait for a break for that. We could easily come back down to the support area. A lot of people seem to think that's what's going to happen. This is the way it moves. It moves up and down, so it could easily come down here and then break. So we got to keep that in mind. We're going to come down to the 4 hour, and we are going to see that, I mean, it's not my favorite look, but there is a possible head and shoulders here. I don't think it is one, but it's very possible. There's a shoulder there, a head here. So if we break down here, we could easily see down there. There is another support here, so we got to keep that in mind. And of course, there's one like right there. So even though we break, we might stop there. We might go to here. We may go to here. It's hard to say. We have to evaluate it when the time comes. We're not going to confuse it too much by leaving all these lines on here. So I would think that we're going to, I wouldn't go short yet anyways, even on a break, just because this is an upward trend. So if it comes down, you know, you might like to take the risk and do a short pending order below the break here. Personally, I wouldn't, but you might want to. It's up to you. Definitely a pending order above the break. So we definitely want to see above this break, because if we go above there, you know, we're going to fly, probably see something like this, but right here going up. You know, 1550, 1650, maybe 17, maybe 18. It's hard to say. So just keep an eye out for that. And I think that's all we can discuss right now, that the RVI is definitely well above zero. So it's showing strong bull. But on the 4 hour chart here, we do see some sort of a resistance line here. We're going to watch for a break of that as well. I think that's it. So hopefully this was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful and you like it. And have a great day.